Students, now we are going to see the reactivity of aldehydes and ketone. In aldehyde and ketone, students, that we are going to show this. If it is, this is carbonyl, and if one valency is by hydrogen, we call as aldehyde. If it is carbonyl, if both the valencies occupied by another is by alkyl. Here both valencies occupied by alkyl group we call as ketone. So students, now we are going to see the reactivity which in carbonyl students, aldehyde and ketone, which one is more reactive, that we are going to see. So aldehydes are more reactive students. In carbonyl students, aldehydes are more reactive than ketones. Aldehydes are more reactive than ketones because of the nucleophilic attack. Okay students, because of towards the electrophilic attack. Now following, which are the factors which are responsible for the reactivity students? The first factor students, that is influence of electronic effect, and second students, that we are going to see, that is steric effect. Here two effects are there students. First is electronic effect, influence of the electronic effect, the electrons which are present at carbon and oxygen, that we are going to see, and the steric effect. Okay students, so this is the carbonyl students. Now here students, we are going to see the, here this is partial negative charge and this is partial positive charge. Okay students, now we are going to see the which factors which affect the reactivity of aldehyde and ketone students. The first one is we are going to see the electronic effect. If it is aldehyde, what will be the electronic effect? If it is ketone, what will be the electronic effect? Then students, if it is aldehyde, we are going to see the steric effect of aldehyde and steric effect of the ketone. We are going to see the influence of the electronic effect. Now aldehydes, when you are talking about the effect of electronic effect students, so aldehydes are more electrophilic than ketones. Aldehydes are more electrophilic than ketones. Mind well students, aldehydes are more reactive as compared to ketone. Okay students, the aldehydes have only one electron donating group. See students, please pay attention here. Aldehydes, when you are talking about aldehyde students, here carbonyl, two valency students, one valency by hydrogen, other by alkyl group. Okay students, so we call as aldehydes. All aldehyde students, only one electron donating group bonded to the carbonyl carbon. So this is the carbonyl carbon students. Here students, in carbonyl carbon students, alkyl group, only one alkyl group is there students. This alkyl group is electron donating, which donate the electron to the carbon of the carbonyl. So aldehydes have only one electron donating group bonded to the carbonyl carbon. That is why aldehydes are more electrophilic than ketone. Understand students? So this way students, you have to explain why aldehydes are more electrophilic than ketones. So aldehydes, when you are talking about the structure, all the aldehyde structure students, see one side is proton, other side is alkyl. Only one electron donating group bonded to the carbonyl carbon. So this is the carbonyl, only one alkyl group is there. Now students, when you are talking about the ketone students, this is ketone carbonyl group students, both the valency of this carbonyl is occupied by alkyl group. Okay students, so when you are talking about the electronic effect students, here the electron, a ketone has two electron donating alkyl groups. Here you have two alkyl groups. So ketone, when you are talking about ketone students, in ketone students, you have two electron donating alkyl group bonded to the carbonyl carbon, which are responsible for decrease. Because of these students, there is a decrease of positive polarity. Understanding the polarity of this carbon, will decrease, as well as it will also, because the polarity will decrease, that means electrophilicity will also decrease. Mind well students, why ketones are less electrophilic than aldehydes. So this is the reason you have to show. Understanding students? So these are very important reason I have explained students, that is the influence of the electronic effect that we have seen. These are the electronic effect students. Now students, we are going to see the steric effect. What is the steric students? When you are in ketone students and in aldehyde, both we are going to see students. So steric effect students, also you know students, in ketone carbonyl is there students, both the valencies occupied by alkyl. Okay students, now two bulky alkyl groups. See here students, when you are talking about ketone students, two or more bulky alkyl groups in ketones come in the way of incoming nucleophile. If any nucleophile will come students, so they will hindrance, there will be the hindrance in coming path of the nucleophile. So two bulky alkyl groups, so these two are bulky alkyl groups in ketone, come in the way of incoming nucleophile. If any nucleophile will come students, so they are getting hindrance because of this alkyl group. So incoming of nucleophiles, this is called steric hindrance. This is called as what? Steric hindrance to the nucleophile. Understanding students? So here students, you can say here ketone, is what? Less reactive as compared to aldehyde. Now why aldehydes are more easily attacked? Students, here aldehydes are more easily attacked by the nucleophiles because it has only one alkyl group. Now when you are talking about aldehyde, students, carbonyl, one valency by hydrogen, other by only one alkyl. So it has only one alkyl group. Here, students, there is only one alkyl group, is less crowded. So here when you are talking about nucleophile, students, it is very easy to attack to the carbon of the carbonyl. Understanding, students? Here this will be the oxygen will be delta negative and carbon will be delta positive. So it is very easy to attack to the carbon of the carbonyl. So students, it has only one alkyl group, is less crowded and strictly what? Less hindered. That is why this is more reactive. Aldehydes are more reactive as compared to ketones. These are very important in terms of reactivity. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.